This afternoon we're going to prepare a mojito. Mojito is considered as a national cocktail from Cuba. To make that cocktail possible, we're going to need a highball glass, lime juice, simple syrup, soda, bitters, mint. First, we're gonna start taking a few pieces of mint, right? We're gonna use the bar spoon to mold the mint, right? It's really important to do that, to mold before add any ingredients. If you do it with lime juice or with simple syrup all together, you will kill the spirit of the plant, of the herbs, right? I forgot to say the most important ingredients in the mojito, the rum. So for that, we're gonna use white oak, 1 ounce, lime juice, 1 ounce simple syrup, 0.25 of rum here, and in that side 1.5. This 1.5 is approximately 1.75, right? Once we have it like that, all the ingredients together, right? We add the ices, then the soda, and bitters on top to kill the acidity in the mojito, but just a drop, right? That's it, right? And as a garnish, we're gonna use mint once again.
It's really refreshing. You're right about the bitters. It really does cut the acidity of the lime. But this cocktail, Sesame Beach, is ideal. Yeah, it's really nice, light. I like it.
Thank you.